Food inflation is out of control, it seems. The latest figures from supermarket analysts Worldpanel by Numerator indicate that food inflation is running at about 6.5%. Now that's a multiple of the general level of inflation in the economy. So it's a real issue for families. The cost of shopping baskets every week seems to be getting dearer and dearer. So what can you do about this? Well, one solution may be to substitute branded items in the shopping trolley for supermarket own-brand goods. An interesting report done by Switcher.ie, the comparison website, shows that you could cut the cost of the weekly shop in half by substituting branded goods for supermarket own-brand alternatives. Over a year, this could save a typical family something like €2,000, according to Switcher.ie. So it's definitely worth considering, but because people in this country, we're still very wedded to branded goods. About half of the purchases in a typical week are branded goods, so we don't tend to buy the own brands too much. Now, there could be good reasons for that. Sometimes the quality is not just as good as the branded ones. Also, people act out of habit. They're used to certain brands, and maybe they just don't like the non-branded goods, the own brands. But it's definitely worth considering if you can cut the price to that extent, because otherwise it's just become very, very expensive for families to fill a shopping basket every week.